Alright, we get ready to shut this down. Get ready for tomorrow. It's always good to hear this thing start up. Not quite up to temp yet, but that's okay. We will be rocking and rolling tomorrow. Yes, sir. Yep. Alright, let's shut this down. That's a done deal. Love that. Probably one of my most favorite features that you can code in on the BMW. And of course, that's using Beamer code. Link is in the description. If you don't have a module, OBD2 Bluetooth module, I use VPeak in the description below. So go and get yours, download Beamer code, game changer. Man, that feels better. God almighty. So yeah, let me get going. Let me go get this power bank, and I'll see you guys in the morning as I get ready to get set up for this event, this show. Whatever you want to call it. All right, guys. Hey, I'll see you in a little bit, but I'll see you tomorrow. All right, so it's the next morning. It is cold, single digit cold. That's right. So it's supposed to be about 27 today. So as we get into the Chicago area, so well, more so as it warms up a little bit later. So I'm getting ready to get some stuff together, let the car warm up, and then we're gonna get ready to hit it and see what this Key to the Streets car show is all about today. All right, see you there. All right, guys, we are here. It's early. Still got cars coming in and setting up. So we just parked right there. I actually not participating in the show. I didn't bring anything to kind of wipe the car down or do anything like that. So I'm pretty much just going to be chilling over here, and we'll get this puppy going. All right, I'll see you in a minute.